We're averaging right now about 750 to 780 people a day coming in to get their vaccines.
Months into COVID vaccinations, and an increasing number of people are still turning out to get the shot. The latest numbers reflecting over 119,000 having received at least one dose, a jump from the previous week's 114,000. This translates into roughly 30% of the population being vaccinated. Here's what facility managers stationed at various vaccination centers shared with us.
Well, I had one yesterday that unfortunately had lost a family of 6, and I think that was a huge eye-opener, and so that's why she was coming in and bringing her parents and everything in to get vaccinated. We also feel that now that Biden has made the announcement about the travel restrictions, people are now realizing if they want to travel, they're going to have to be vaccinated.
A good number of our patients today have told us that was the case. But for whatever reason, though, we're really happy to see people coming out.
This week has been one of our busiest weeks since we started. A lot of that is due to those who got Pfizer a few weeks ago getting their second doses. Working on mandating you have to be fully vaccinated in order to get on a plane to go to the United States. That's also starting to make some people realize that the future is get vaccinated, because that's the only answer to getting our lives back to where they need to be.
And COVID-19 vaccination was also one of the main points in Prime Minister the Honorable Philip Davis's presentation at the United Nations General Assembly over the weekend. The Bahamas has received a steady flow of vaccinations from abroad. Just last week, the U.S. government donated 1,390 doses of both the Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson vaccines. Still, during his address to the United Nations General Assembly, Prime Minister the Honorable Philip Davis stressed the need for a lot more to cater to the Bahamas' population of nearly 400,000.
Our demand for vaccines has significantly outstripped supply. Along with vaccines, it is important that safe treatments and therapeutics are made accessible and designated as public goods. When vaccines are deployed to reduce transmission, everyone is made safer. This virus is global and requires a global response.
Meantime, here's why several people opted to finally give in and get the jab.
Right. Well, I'm a photographer and videographer, so a lot of the stuff that I need, equipment-wise, it's in the States. So, one way or the other, I'd have to go over there.
Because I'm working in the healthcare field, I just feel like now it's a need because too many people dying out here. And the hospital's too full, they can't accept any more people. So
we recently actually got out of quarantine, so we're going to make that step and we're going to get vaccinated just to keep our family safe and to keep ourselves safe.
My mom passed away from COVID last year, so did my aunt. So I said, this is scary. I'll just go and take my shot. This variant is very strong, and I have 4 children to live for.
And in the case of those of you still on the fence,
You see some people that are apprehensive, but I would say that at the end of the process, what we see is relief. People are relieved and very happy that they've had it done.
It's for the general good of everybody, your family, your friends, your loved ones. We have to do it.
Crystal Darling, ZNS Digital Media.